This Galaxy Star Projector is so cool for creating a really nice ambiance in any space. So of course it'd be really great in a kid's room, but I have even really enjoyed using it in my living room. I love having it on at night while we're watching TV or a movie, and it just makes the space feel really cozy. So there are a couple different options. You could just have this starry blue night sky, or it also comes with these little slides that you put in the side of the projector in this little compartment, and then that will project an additional image like these balloons, the planets, a starry sky, or these spaceships. You could choose to use these projections on their own or in combination with the starry night sky from the laser. So you have lots of options to customize it the way you would like. You're able to adjust the brightness, and you can also make the projection rotate ever so slightly. You can choose from 4 different speeds, but it goes very slow, so I usually use it on the fastest speed. One of my favorite features is that it comes with an app that you can use to control it. And you can even set it on a schedule, so you can customize it to come on every night at a certain time. It also works with Alexa or your Google Assistant, so you can even voice control the projector. In my living room, it projects mostly on the ceiling and a little bit of one of the walls, but you can also adjust it where it just shines completely on one half of your room or up at the ceiling. But because it's off to the side of a room and it's angled coming out of the side of the projector, it's never really going to cover all 4 walls and the ceiling, but it still makes a really big projection in your room. It comes with a manual that walks you through setting it up, and it also comes with a USB-C power cable, so it's always plugged in and you never have to worry about charging it. This projector has been a really fun addition to our home, so I can highly recommend it.